going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us at a nice pre-meet and drive because we'll be heading to a nice cars and coffee event with a lot of exotic and really cool special cars in today's video. We can see the pre-meet has some heavy hitters as well, including this, I think this is a Phantom drop top. We have some nice cars over here too, some big wings on it, including this Viper GTS. Love these cars. The design of them is amazing. See, it's got the carbon intakes. Look at the carbon fiber wing on this. And then over here is a nice 992 GT3 RS. Love the frozen kind of gray color on it. It's like a stealth type vibe. Man, I would love to own this at some point in life, one day for sure. Man, the color on this is really good with the wheel set. It's popping, man. Carbon roof, the wing, the Swan neck. We got a few more Porsches over here, including a nice chalk gray Turbo S, which is very nice. We have a nice M2 CS with the gold wheels as well. See, my car is over here parked up looking good today. We just cleaned it up for the most part. We weren't able to wipe down the wheels, but we did our best this morning. We also added these window stickers because, I don't know, honestly, we're taking it to the meets. I feel like it's good for marketing purpose so people can check out and learn more about the car. This thing just pulled up too is a 488 Pista Ferrari. One of my favorite Ferraris for sure. Just look at the hood, the intakes, all the carbon fiber down low. It's a very aggressive looking car. The whole wheels are full carbon fiber, man. Purple SVJ or Venador. Let me know what you guys seen with new Reveltos coming out. We've seen a few of them here on the channel recently. You taking a Venador SVJ, you taking a Revelto. I don't know, I'm a little more partial to these still. Look at all the styling on this. Genuine spaceship. Look at all the wings. Oh, what a sight. That Viper, man, looks so good in the black. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber has been sending out more of their colored twill carbon fiber phone cases. And what I love most about these phone cases is it's real carbon fiber, so it's lightweight, it's durable, it's heat resistant, but also matches the same weave that's all over my BMW M4's interior. And on top of that, Simply Carbon Fiber offers other carbon fiber accessories like sunglasses, watches, license plate frames, AirPod cases, and more. And I want you guys to head over to simplycarbonfiber.com because they're doing a nice up to 70% off discount. Head over to simplycarbonfiber.com. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's video. Woo! Oh, the GT3 RS. Man, this side is insane. I love it. Great lineup. You guys gotta have to let me know what's your favorite car in today's video. A nice M2 CS too. I wonder where the Rolls Royce is at though. He's probably cruising. There he goes. That thing is massive. That's a good one in the combo too. Oh, that's good. Woo! The 340 out here banging too. rearview mirror. What? I got a, what is that, a Brabus 4x4? Jeez. Big body. My goodness. There's a V10 M5 going by. He better rip it. He threw up the twos. Another G80. Now we got the coffee, we can start to check out the cars. But this hotel, man, it's super nice. Which one are you taking, Chanel?
This one, hands down.
You don't want the Cybertruck?
No.
No, this is nice. XM. I think it's, I can't tell. It looks like a very, very dark blue. It's obviously a hybrid. We've driven one of these too. They're absolutely amazing. I feel you. Legitimate 427 Cobra in all black. I mean, it's mint. The rear end of these cars got the historical California plates. And also you can see the dashboard is signed by Carroll Shelby himself. That is awesome to see this car out here. You see V12 Ferrari F12. Nice red gray wheels, but the black on the F12 with the aftermarket wheels looks wild too. And then we have a couple of Vipers right here. We've got a white one, and then we have a black one. Got the Lotus Amiras out here. We got McLarens. Look at the all black STO too. Damn, the dark blue on this Huracan is very nice. Wow, this Huracan Central. Oh man, look at this. Lisa 488 Pista. The wheels on that. Stunning. But next to that is a brand new Revuelto. The replacement to the Aventador in frozen black spec. It's got blue interior. And then we have an SF90 next to that, all black. I mean, it's crazy. These are basically direct competitors. Both hybrid, both basically 1,000 horsepower, and then Ferrari and Lamborghini. Which one are you taking? Man, it's really tough. This one's got red interior too, bucket seats. Might have to go with the Lambo just because of the blue interior. But if we come around back, see all the carbon fiber on the SF90. Man, Revuelto though, I don't know. That is tough. Just look at the exhaust tips on that. Oh, the engine's fully exposed. No cover. You can see they have the cover on the SF90 too. These are also nice. Lexus LFAs, and then a Huracan Storado in the white spec. Haven't seen one in white yet. Check out these McLarens right here too. This one's like a frozen silver, but look at the roof scoop. Full carbon roof scoop on this car. Oh, maybe it's a 720S, but nonetheless, it's awesome. This one's for sure a 765 LT Spider. Looks really good in this blue spec. Super nice McLaren Senna right here. Look at the spec on it too. It's like red, white, and gray. There goes another Huracan Storado, but this one is pretty special because the interior is orange steering wheel, orange leather, and orange Alcantara on the seats. Carbon fiber accents too. See big boy facelift Cullinan over here too. Which definitely looks nice. Wow. I think these facelifts just came out. You can see the headlights kind of swoop down towards the bumper. The whole bumper is different as well. Check out the interior on these cars. Absolutely stunning. Wow. This is just classic. It's a dark purple old school Rolls Royce. Oh, this has got to be an absolute blast to drive. Right hand drive too. Wow, what a cool looking car. And you can see how big it is in comparison to something like a modern day Lexus, which is still a big car. It's always nice to see the Turbo S out here. You got the old gen, and you got the 992. And this spec is so aggressive in the white, bro. It just brings out the design of the car. It looks good. But speaking of Porsches, we got RS Central over here. 992 with the magnesium wheels, the blue one. 991 all frozen black. Another 992 GT3 RS. Yeah, the wing on this is wild. And it's functional too. You can see the hydraulic movements.
They probably start. They check this out for factory with the wheels.
Oh, for sure. This is like bone stock. It blows my mind how these cars are actually street legal. Like, these are legitimate race cars on the road. This is nice too. The green wheels, RS badging on it. This is a nice color too. It's like a dark green. Back on the road with a group of those exotics we've seen at the meet, man. There are exotics everywhere at this point. 488 M5. But what we have in front of us is nice too. We've got F8s, we've got that SF90, the Revuelto, McLaren. So we're gonna try and catch these cars on the road. This Revuelto reminds me a lot of the Centenario. You can tell they got a lot of inspiration from their own car on that one. Wow. What a great 3-car combination. Wow. Got the mountains out here too, the sceneries. What a great looking car. It's already got wheels on it too. Goes that Ferrari, dude. Oh, it's got an exhaust on it. Wow, the fitment on this car is perfect. I like the wheels he chose too. It's like a deep dish, multi-piece wheel. I think this one has an exhaust on it as well. The site here this morning is absolutely stunning. So many nice cars, different colors, different vibes. But this right here was must have been a sad day at some point of the ownership, because this Huracan has been straight smacked. But oh my gosh, this thing has definitely seen better days. Full bumpers off. Definitely sad to see a car like this in a state like this. When you look closer, you can see a whole bunch of little kitty cat prints all over the windscreen. Damn, I wonder what happened. This side definitely took damage. It's like it hit a curb or something like that. Wheels all mangled. See that back wheel all crooked. We got a nice vet over here. This M5 F90 is really nice too. The black with the gold like champagne signature wheels. The dish on it, that's just clean. M8 drop right here. This is lady driven as well. Matte black, frozen. We got a nice GT3 over here, like a signal green. And obviously we have my car parked over here next to a 991 GT3. This thing has a really nice exhaust system on it. E92 M3, that's painted, that's not a wrap. It's a frozen color. Rough condition Huracan, and we got a good looking darker blue Huracan right here. Orange accents, calipers, interior, seats is orange. You see someone's already getting in the Christmas holiday spirit. Bentegas, another 8 Series back there. This is that Viper we were rolling with, obviously on the road. This is nice, some kind of body kit on a 992 911 Porsche. We've got Bentayga. This one's edition 8. Color on it is really nice, real sparkly. It's almost like a sky blue on this. This is one of the 911s we went with on the road. We got the SVJ, but this is nice too. Bright banana yellow. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got a nice banana yellow on this Huracan as well. R8 in red, like a very deep red. This is really nice. Also like the facelift of this V10 R8 generation. McLaren in yellow. I think this is Artura, if I'm not mistaken. That is same SVJ. But this, as you guys saw, this 992 GT3 RS has the most insane exhaust I've ever heard on a 992. Sounds really good. Turbo S. That big Brabus we saw on the road we were pulling in with. But you can see the M4 is parked up looking good. We kind of got like a blue crew right here. M2 CS, my M4, and the Porsche. Damn, look at that Rolls Royce. What kind of body kit is that? I think it's another drop top Phantom kit on it. If you guys know what this kit is, let me know. It looks super good, especially in the white with the black combination. It's like it's been fully converted to a hardtop coupe. These two together, the Rolls and the 992.